In a world where every detail matters, Layla, owner of Choco Bliss AE, a boutique chocolate shop in Dubai, believes that presentation is just as important as taste. She handcrafts each chocolate with care, passion, and precision. But she wanted something more, a way to make her brand unforgettable, a way to create moments, not just products, a way to increase business sales. Then she found it, the Ribbon Impress printer by Labelgraff, an elegant in-store printing system for customized satin ribbons, alongside a label printer that adds storytelling to every box. With just a tablet, Layla can do immediate design and print instantly. Even better, customers can write their own messages, making every package truly personal. Gold on red for loves, silver on black for celebrations, white on brown for timeless warmth. Each ribbon becomes a memory, each label a heartfelt message. The results? Delighted customers, social media buzz, repeat orders, a brand that people talk about. Choco Bliss AE becomes more than just a chocolate shop. It becomes an experience worth sharing. All thanks to the Ribbon Impress printer and Labelgraff digital labeling solutions, where packaging turns into an emotion, and personalization becomes your sweetest signature.
To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, visit www.labelgraff.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.